we have all of that in interest. My thing is, my manager here asked me if I would like to talk, and I said no. No, I want to listen. But then in my mind, if they don't know, you don't tell them what you need, how will they know? You have to tell them, and then let them work it out. My thing I'm talking about today is this home care help. I've had a couple of girls that come in and they were beautiful. But what can you do in straightening up a home in 2 hours? You no more get in the door than it's time to leave. I had a stroke about 8 years ago. I took care of my mother before that. My mother died at 105. If the Lord blesses me, I'll be 93 in August. I did my work and was proud of it until I had the stroke, and I find now that I can't get down because I'll fall over. It takes me an hour and a half to make my bed, which is a queen size. I go around one side and then I have to sit and rest. I start the other side and I have to rest. And I finally get it together, then I get in it. I wonder why did I ever want a queen size bed? But the Lord has blessed me to be on my feet. And for that I'm thankful. Yes. I live alone. I do my own cooking and whatever little necessary things. But I worked for 90 years. I said 90 because my grandmother started teaching me at her knee. Nevertheless, I worked for Wayne County for 30 years. As a registered nurse. God has blessed me to stay on my feet and keep moving. But being handicapped with a stroke, I didn't get out of the house too often. I found the house closing in on me. When my mother was living, I had her in this agent, Detroit agent for the ages. They have helped me immensely because I was very depressed. I wondered why was I yet here. I couldn't go anywhere, I couldn't do anything, I couldn't bend over, I couldn't make my bed. Why are you here? And I found that a lot of old people, they close in like that. But I said, I'm not going to do it. My mother was a fighter, and so will I be. So I found this senior citizen group again, and they've been wonderful to me. I go everywhere they go if I can make it. I'm in an apartment, they said, where do you go so much? They come and get me and I'm just gone. And I'm saying to you, the people that are handicapped need a few more hours. Not 8 hours a day, no. But you can't get very much done in 2 hours. When you make up your program and whatever your expense, please consider that. They're living alone. They can't do everything they did when they were younger. Consider giving them a few more hours. I thank you for hearing me. God bless you.